Is affiliate marketing a scam? In this video, I attempt to answer this age-old question, this ultimate question that almost everybody asks, especially when they first start getting into affiliate marketing. They're looking things up. Right now, you're probably looking things up on YouTube, on Google, on TikTok, wherever, and you're thinking, is this stuff a scam? It sounds too good to be true. I don't know if it's real. Are these people really seeing success? Looks like everyone's becoming a millionaire overnight. Is it for real? In this video, I'm going to answer this question, and it's not going to be exactly what you think, okay? So stick around to the end. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I do give a lot of free content around affiliate marketing and show you how to do it on this channel. Now subscribe. Now the very first thing that I want to say before I get started is right now you're thinking, oh, this guy, the affiliate marketing guy, the infamous Joel, of course he's gonna come out and say, of course affiliate marketing is not a scam, it's great, it's awesome. He's gonna be really biased, right? I can promise you, no, I'm not going to be biased whatsoever. I'm going to be as objectively honest and truthful as I always am on this channel. If you're new to this channel, you don't know that I'm extremely honest about every single thing. So even when I'm wrong, I'm still honest. So that being said, I'm going to be as objective as I possibly can and be fair when we're talking about this subject because there's a lot going on. There's a lot to uncover. There's a lot of claims. There's a lot of stuff going on out there and people saying this and this and that. So I'm going to try to clear things up as much as I possibly can. Now let's go. But first I want to get your take on this. Make sure that you comment down below and tell me, is this a scam? Is it not? What are some of your past experiences? Do you think that it's super legit? Do you think that, you know, people are just out to rip people off? What do you think about affiliate marketing? What have been your experiences? Let me know down in the comment section down below. I won't attack you. I swear to God, this is a free space. Everybody can say whatever they want. It's all good and dandy. All right. So let's get into it. I'm going to tell you my opinion right now. And if you disagree, you can comment down that down below too. That's totally fine. I'm okay with people disagreeing. So number one, we have to get very clear about what people mean when they say they ask, is affiliate marketing a scam? Because for the longest time, to be completely honest, this question used to confuse the hell out of me. And I'll tell you why. Because it seems really weird, like saying, is affiliate marketing a scam? Affiliate marketing is not like a product, it's not a service, it's not like a place that you go, it's not like some like mystical creature in the forest that you go say hi to. I don't know, it's really weird how people phrase the question, because affiliate marketing is nothing more than a monetization strategy. It is a method of being compensated for specific action. No one ever says like, hey, is the way that a car salesman paid a scam? You know, no one ever says that because it's just a way of being paid. That's all affiliate marketing is. I am the affiliate, right? And if you go down in the links in the description below, I have one or two affiliate programs or, you know, offers or software or things that I think will help you in your journey. Those are my affiliate links. Now, if you click on those and you go make a purchase, I see a commission from that, which is awesome, but also you don't have to do that. But that's all it is. So it's really strange sometimes when people phrase the question that way. So for a long time, it confused me, to be completely honest. But over time, I had so many conversations with hundreds, even some, I would say thousands of people at this point. We have a very large Facebook group. We have a big channel here on YouTube, and I love all the subscribers here. So it just made me feel like, there's something to it, because I hear that question so much, especially from newcomers. So what do they mean when they ask that? So I started digging a little bit, and I think, and you guys can comment down below and ask me if I'm wrong or whatever, I think what you might mean is there's a lot of gurus and there's a lot of courses and there's a lot of programs out there that promise the world, and they tell you how great affiliate marketing is, that it's a great way to quit your job and it's a great way to, you know, start a business online and scale it up and make a ton of money. And it feels like it might be too good to be true sometimes, or maybe you've tried one of these programs or courses and didn't quite work out for you. So is it a scam, meaning that you pay money and you get nothing in return? I hope that's what you guys mean. I'm trying to figure it out. Well, I can tell you as somebody, not just somebody that owns their own program, but I've been just like you. I was a consumer in this. I was a beginner a few years back. I'm not some big giant guru, you know, I don't have like billions of dollars or anything. So I have been in that position, and I still continue to pay for education and stuff like that right now. I still invest in things to help me get better. But I get it, to where when you're first starting and everyone's got all these crazy offers being thrown at you, it all seems too good to be true, and you're saying it seems like a scam. It seems like I'm going to pay and get nothing in return. I can tell you from just my experience and only my experience, you can comment down below and tell me your experience. I bought a lot of courses when I first started because I didn't know where to go. I didn't know who to trust. I didn't know what course was legit, what was really going to help me make 5K, 10K, 15 per month, whatever. I didn't know what worked and what didn't. So I trusted and relied on things like testimonials. I relied on things like, well, it sounds like it's good, it sounds believable, so maybe that's a good program or that's a good course, or maybe the guru themselves, I could really relate to them and I thought that they were kind of cool or whatever. So I'm like, okay, cool, let me go join this thing. And oftentimes, more often than not, I didn't see a result. That's just a fact. I'm just gonna be honest with you. More often than not, when I bought these programs, sometimes I spent up to $2,000 on these programs, I would see zero in return. Now, I made a video on this channel where I talked about why I think that I didn't make any money in my first 7 or 8 months. There's a reason for that, but is this a scam? Let's get back to this question. Was it a scam? I did receive something back in return for my money, right? I got some kind of education. I got some kind of a game plan. I got something mapped out step by step for me. The way that I would implement it, would I go all the way in? Would I do it 110%? To be completely honest with myself, no, I probably like half-assed it most of the time. Most of the time I took some of the information, I half-assed it, I did it for like a month or two, and then I gave up. And really a lot of times, there's a disconnect between the marketing and the actual product itself. Most of these are courses. They teach you how to build your affiliate marketing business. And what a lot of them fail to tell you is how long it's gonna take you to build your business. It's just gonna take a really long time. So there's a big disconnect between that. Obviously, they're marketers, right? I'm a marketer, they're marketers. They're marketers, they're gonna try to position their course in such a way that it sounds like it's gonna get you the result in the next 30 days or whatever, like immediately, and you're gonna turn around and make $1 million immediately and fast. They have to do it that way because as a marketer, it's like your responsibility to make things seem fast and easy and click a button and it's all done and it's over and you're rich. Right? Because nobody actually wants to put in work. Think about it in a different light. Let's look at it from a different perspective. Most people, when they get into losing weight, right? I got a few pounds on me, I want to lose weight. Well, most of the offers that are out there, most of the courses or personal trainers or whatever that there is in the weight loss space want the results. But the ones that are going to be most attractive to me are the ones that are like, take a pill, lose a bunch of weight. There's a product out there right now called like Ozempic or Wegovy, or like it goes by different brand names. It's like a shot you take, right? And then it stops you from eating like ever, and you lose a bunch of weight. A lot of celebrities are doing. I will be completely honest, I'm doing it. I even bought that stuff, right? I don't want to take it anymore because it makes me feel really sick. But the reason that I bought it was because of the speed of the result that it was promising, okay? They're marketers, even in that industry, right? And they're gonna tell you it takes like 4 months and you've already lost like 50 pounds. Woo, it's amazing, right? It does so much in such a short amount of time. We as human beings are wired to want a result and to want it right now. We want to avoid the uncomfortable stuff. We want to avoid putting in work, and we want to get the result as soon as possible. So that's why a lot of times most people fail at courses. It's just a fact. About 90%, maybe more, fail at courses, especially in affiliate marketing, because they have to learn tech, right? There's so many pieces they have to learn. They have to learn how to build funnels. They have to learn how to write emails. They have to learn copywriting. They have to learn sales. They have to learn video. You have to wear so many hats. Going from a 9-to-5 job where you're just playing a part in a business to running the entire business by yourself is a giant leap, and most people can't handle it. Most people can't do it, okay? They just can't. I feel that's where you get a lot of people starting to run around saying like, oh, it's a scam, it's a scam, it's a scam, because they feel ripped off. I can't say they're wrong, because the marketing is so powerful, so strong, and the marketer does a really good job, the guru does a really good job of making the offer itself sound really appealing. The course is like, 0 to 10K in the next 90 days by using my secret tactic that does and it might actually be able to do that sometimes, but the amount of work that you need to put in is usually glossed over, right? The disconnect between the guru and the person who's just starting off is so giant. That gap is so huge from where the guru is to where the beginner is. And sometimes, and I know some of these guys and they're really nice guys, some of them, not all of them, some of them I hate, and I'm the infamous Joel and they hate me and I don't care. But that being said, some of them really don't get it. They've been gurus for a long time. They make so much money doing this. It's second nature. Think about it like this. If you're like an expert at anything, right? You're a sports expert. Let's say you're a basketball or football aficionado. If you talk to your wife, right, and she doesn't watch sports at all, I'm just assuming you're a guy. This could go the other way too. Maybe you're a wife and you're talking to your husband about, Cosmopolitan or something. I don't know, whatever. They're gonna have a blank look on their face, right? Like your wife is like, well, who's Deion Sanders? What is all this stuff? They're gonna look at you like, I don't get it. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't understand any of this stuff. What the gurus don't understand a lot of times is that when they're communicating this stuff to a beginner, even if they've spent $2,000 on a course, the beginner is taking a lot of time and research and effort and all this stuff to try to figure out, what is the guru even talking about? I don't understand any of this stuff. They don't seem to understand, with their powerful marketing and how fast they promise all these results and everything like that. They don't seem to understand just how lost and confused and completely oblivious the beginner is, because they haven't been a beginner in years. Okay, then that's not their fault. Some of them are really trying their best to really help people, but they don't get it. They're so disconnected. So that's why I feel a lot of times courses just don't work. They're leaving you alone to basically figure things out on your own. And if you're a beginner and on top of that you don't have a whole lot of time to put into this, you are screwed. I'm just gonna tell you that right now. You're very screwed, because you're not going to get any help from anybody. You're stuck with a course. You have to learn everything on your own. You have to wear 47 hats. You have to put a lot of time and effort into this thing, building things out on your own. You're done. Like, this isn't going to work for you. The only reason things turned around for me and started working for me way back when I was building things out on my own, because I was an idiot savant. I'm just going to be honest. I was too stupid to stop. Okay, I worked for months and months and months and months, and most people would have given up a long time ago, but maybe I was a glutton for punishment and I just kept trying. And eventually I made my first dollar. Eventually I made a $1 commission, and that propelled me forward and made me keep going. But most people never get to that point. And that's why courses just don't work, is because they leave all the responsibility and onus on you. So fast forward to why I created the affiliate franchise. And a lot of people ask me, well, what's the difference? Isn't that a course? If you email me right now, and I have a whole graveyard of emails of people asking, how much is your course? I respond to them every time and say, I don't have a course. I don't know how to answer that question. We are not a course. The affiliate franchise is not a course. Courses don't work. They leave you alone and you're just on your own with a bunch of information. What the affiliate franchise is we are a done-for-you mentoring service. So what you get to do is you get to partner with us. We have software in place. We have funnels in place. We have all the ticky-tacky techie tools already in place that we are using every single day for our own business. And you get to partner with us and use what we're using right now. That way, from day one, your business is built. It's already built. It's a business in a box. It's not a course where you're building it. You already have a business from day one. Okay, there's that. We have automation software to get you leads right away. You can do ads. You do all this stuff that we show you and connect you on how to do, so that you, no matter how much time that you have, it doesn't matter if you have 5 minutes a day or if you have 5 hours a day, you can do this part, because we take all of the time off your plate. Remember, you're just using our systems. We know how to get leads. We have software in place that gets all this stuff. And we have a staff and a team that goes in and closes all of the sales for you. Mind you, they're high ticket sales. Okay, so we're talking $1,000, $2,000, almost $3,000 per sale every single time, and we're doing all of the work because you're partnering with an already made business. Okay, last but not least, accountability. which a lot of the courses don't have. They might have like a group call once a week or something like that. We have one-to-one coaches that are going to sit down and work with you and show you everything you need to be shown to get through your bottlenecks. If you're stuck on something in a course, the course is over. You're never going to get that question answered and you've wasted your money. In the affiliate franchise, if you're stuck on something, talk directly to your coach. They're going to directly answer your questions and show you what you need to do. And that's it. You get through your bottleneck. That's why you see the kinds of results that we have, where in the first day or two or three, first week, first 2 weeks, people are seeing hundreds of thousands of dollars, not hundreds of thousands, but hundreds and thousands of dollars right away. They get their first commission, second commission so quickly. We have a fast turnaround, and that's because we're helping them do everything up front. We're doing everything with them, partnered with them. Your first problem is you have that 9-to-5 job, right? That's the first problem. So when you take a course, you're basically building yourself out of that problem slowly but surely. But do you really have 6 months to a year to start seeing any commissions? Probably not. You probably want to get out of that job as soon as humanly possible. The only real way to do that is to partner with a business that's already running, that already has leads and commissions and sales and all this systems and stuff going on. You plug yourself into that, and now you're making commissions off of our back, our work, our effort. We're doing everything, and you're just plugging yourself into that pipeline. That's all you're doing. Okay, now we help you kill the job. That's the first mission that we have. Kill the job, quit the job. Now you can go full-time online and you can do anything you want after that. We don't care what you do after that. Okay, we have a lot of successful clients who went off and they started their own career. They're promoting whatever the hell they want now, but we have to kill the job first. That's the first bottleneck that you have in your business. That's why courses don't work for people that have jobs and are busy and have kids and all this stuff, because the onus is on them to build the business by themselves. Okay, so that being said, those are my thoughts on the affiliate marketing being a scam thing. I don't think that it's a scam. I think that it just depends on what you're looking for, and a lot of times people end up buying something that's not really going to solve the problem that they're having. If your problem is, I just need education so that 2 years from now I can like start working towards quitting my job, think about it. If you want to earn $100,000 a year, you're going to go to college for 4 years, right? It's education, you're learning. Why do you think that a course, it's still education, it's still teaching you all the hats you need to wear and all the things that you need to do to build up your business? Why do you think that it's going to help you, earn $100,000 in 6 months or 3 months or whatever? That's not going to happen. It's not realistic. When all you're getting is knowledge, you have to do all of the work and the effort by yourself. When you're getting a service, right? That's why it's the franchise. When you want to buy a McDonald's, it's already built and already made. You just run the plans every single day and make the money. That's it. That's different. You get the results almost immediately. So that's not the same thing as a course. And that's why I think a lot of times people walk away really bitter and they're like, oh, it's all a scam. Is because they don't understand that different products and different offers and different things are not made for everyone. Okay, that being said, also, please don't book a call down below if you don't understand this concept, because it is an investment. You're having a team come in and help you with the business and help you run everything, and using all of our resources and partnering with us. So it is a very, very premium investment. It's not a course. You're not going to get this for $4.97 or some crap like that. Okay, we need to be compensated for our time, and we need to be compensated on plugging you into our resources and our infrastructure. Okay, that takes energy. Okay, so that being said, I'm the infamous Joel. Watch these other videos on the channel. Click down below if you want to book a call with our team and talk about this game plan of being plugged in with us. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.